Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you guys how you can install this SSD in your laptop or in your desktop. So this is the Kingston 240 GBs of SSD, as you can see, and I'm having my laptop. This is my Acer Aspire 3 laptop. So I'm gonna remove the hard drive and I will use it as an external drive, and I will install this SSD. Okay, so before installing the SSD, we have to make a bootable USB so that we can install operating system in this. So let's get started, guys. So first thing you have to do is just plug your pen drive. Now go to the folder where you have your ISO image of the Windows. As I have already downloaded this ISO image, this is the Windows 10 64-bit ISO file. And also you need to download this Rufus USB tool so that you can make USB bootable USB. Okay, now just open this software. Okay, so my pen drive is already selected, as you can see. Now locate the ISO file. Open it up. Now left all the options as it is. Now click start and make sure you have already backed up your USB drive if there is any data, as it will remove all the data. Click OK. Now it is creating the bootable USB, so it will take a while. I will catch you there.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities.
So as you can see, guys, we have successfully made the USB bootable USB stick. So now just close it and close everything, and just to double check it, just remove the pen drive. Now plug it back. So yeah, as you can see, we have made a bootable USB. Now it's time to install the SSD in the laptop, so let's go. Now turn off your laptop and locate the hard drive. As in my case, you can see I can access my hard drive from outside. I don't have to remove the whole panel, so just remove this screw to open this lid. Now gently pop it up. Now we have 4 screws holding the bracket. Now remove the 4 screws. Now once you remove all the screws, here is a pulling tab. Now you can pull your hard drive gently. Now disconnect this setup cable. So here is the hard drive. This is the Toshiba hard drive. So now in order to install this SSD inside it, you have to remove this bracket also. It's time to plug the SSD back. Plug the SATA cable. And now screw all the 4 screws. Now as you can see, all the screws are back to its location. Now it's time to close this lid. Screw this last. Now we have installed the SSD successfully. Now it's time to install operating system in this. Now plug your pen drive and turn on the laptop and press F12 to boot into boot menu. Now boot your system with the USB. Now hit enter. Now it is setting up your Windows for the first time. It will take some while, and I think that's all for this video, guys. Now you just simply have to log in into your Windows, and that's all for this. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give my video a thumbs up. Thank you and peace.